Looking for the perfect way to cook delicious, crispy meals at home? The best air fryers for chicken make it easy to enjoy golden, juicy results every time. Let's explore top picks that combine taste and convenience. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Cosori 9 Air Fryers for Chicken. The Cosori 9 Air Fryer is a game changer for anyone looking to enjoy crispy, juicy chicken with minimal oil. Equipped with innovative turbo blaze technology, it delivers a powerful 3,600 revolutions per minute fan speed and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. The upgraded 5-fan speed system and precise temperature control make certain that your chicken cooks evenly, producing golden, crunchy exteriors while retaining tender, juicy interiors. The ceramic-coated basket and crisper tray are both non-stick and heat-resistant, making cooking and cleanup effortless. With a spacious 6-quart square basket, this air fryer is ideal for family-sized meals, accommodating multiple pieces of chicken or larger cuts without overcrowding. The Turbo Blaze technology not only cooks quickly but operates quietly at less than 53 dB, creating a peaceful kitchen environment. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate that it uses up to 95% less oil compared to traditional frying, delivering guilt-free meals without sacrificing flavor or crispiness. From quick weeknight dinners to weekend family feasts, the Cosori 9 Air Fryer brings professional quality results to your countertop. Its combination of speed, consistency, and space-saving design makes it a standout choice for anyone serious about air frying chicken and other favorites. The attention to detail in every aspect, from temperature precision to non-stick durability, ensures a versatile and long-lasting appliance that elevates home cooking to a new level of convenience and flavor. Number 2. Ninja Air Fryers for Chicken. The Ninja Air Fryer is a versatile and reliable appliance for anyone looking to prepare healthier chicken dishes without compromising on taste. By using up to 75% less fat than traditional frying, it allows you to enjoy crispy, golden chicken with minimal guilt. The air fryer features a wide temperature range from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which lets you cook everything from gentle dehydration snacks to quick, high-heat crisps. Its 4-quart ceramic-coated non-stick basket and crisper plate provide ample space for up to 2 pounds of French fries or multiple pieces of chicken, making it perfect for small families or couples. The Ninja Air Fryer offers 4 cooking programs: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, allowing for versatile meal preparation beyond just frying. The dehydration function is particularly useful for creating homemade snacks, giving you control over texture and moisture levels. Cleanup is simple thanks to dishwasher-safe parts, including the basket and crisper plate, while the exterior remains easy to wipe down. Durable materials, including a non-stick ceramic coating, ensure long-lasting performance and resistance to wear. This air fryer also comes with a 20-recipe booklet, inspiring new ideas and ways to enjoy healthier, air-fried meals. Overall, the Ninja Air Fryer combines efficiency, versatility, and health-conscious design, making it a top choice for anyone who wants to enjoy perfectly cooked chicken and other favorites with less oil and fuss. Its reliable performance and thoughtful features make it an essential appliance in any modern kitchen. Number 3. Chefman 4QD Air Fryers for Chicken. The Chefman 4QD Air Fryer is ideal for compact kitchens and small households, offering fast and easy preparation of delicious chicken and other favorites. Its digital touchscreen allows for precise temperature and cooking time adjustments, while 4 preset functions enable one-touch convenience for quick meals. The 450 degrees Fahrenheit high-fry technology ensures a perfect finishing crunch on air-fried dishes, giving chicken tenders and fries that extra crispy texture without excessive oil. Its sleek and compact design maximizes the 4-quart capacity while minimizing countertop space, making it perfect for kitchens with limited room. Health-conscious users will appreciate the ability to cook flavorful meals with little to no oil, maintaining the taste and crunch of traditional frying. The Chefman Air Fryer also includes shake notifications, alerting you to turn or stir your food for even cooking and optimal crispiness. Cleanup is simple, thanks to the dishwasher-safe non-stick basket and rack. Safety is prioritized with automatic shutoff technology, ensuring the air fryer turns off when cooking is finished or the basket is removed. With its combination of speed, precision, and compact convenience, the Chefman 4QD Air Fryer delivers restaurant-quality chicken and snacks right at home. It is a reliable choice for anyone seeking a small, efficient, and stylish air fryer capable of producing consistently crispy, juicy results while saving time and effort in the kitchen. Number 4. Ninja 1500W Air Fryers for Chicken. The Ninja 1500W Air Fryer is designed for both small and large meals, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Its all-in-one system includes the Ninja Crispy Power Pod for quart and 6-cup clean crisp glass containers and 2 storage lids, allowing for flexibility in meal preparation. The powerful Crispy Power Pod delivers the performance of a full-sized air fryer in a compact design, capable of cooking a 4-pound chicken or a personal-sized meal in just minutes. The clean crisp glass containers are non-toxic, safe for cooking, and suitable for storage, ensuring your meals remain healthy and chemical-free. The air fryer provides 4 functions: max crisp, bake, air fry, and re-crisp, allowing you to experiment with a variety of dishes from golden, crispy chicken to baked or reheated meals. Fixed heat-safe feet allow the appliance to sit safely on any countertop surface, including granite, laminate, and butcher block, while snap-lock leak-proof lids prevent spills, making it ideal for on-the-go meals. The Ninja 1500W Air Fryer is engineered for convenience and efficiency without compromising flavor or texture. Its combination of power, versatility, and safe design ensures that whether you are cooking a quick snack or a family-sized chicken dinner, every meal is cooked evenly, crisped perfectly, and served deliciously. For anyone seeking a reliable and powerful air fryer for chicken, this model offers a smart, practical, and safe solution. Number 5. Chefman Air Fryers for Chicken. The Chefman 6-quart air fryer is perfect for larger households, delivering fast, flavorful, and healthier chicken with minimal oil. Its 450 degrees Fahrenheit high-fry technology ensures extra crispiness during the final 2 minutes of cooking, providing that perfect golden crunch on chicken tenders, wings, and fries. The sleek, narrow design maximizes the 6-quart basket capacity while conserving valuable countertop space, making it a practical choice for kitchens of any size. Customizable cooking time and temperature, along with 4 one-touch presets, make meal preparation simple and efficient for serving 3 to 5 people. Health-conscious cooks will enjoy guilt-free meals that retain all the flavor of traditional frying while reducing oil usage. The air fryer features LED shake notifications, reminding users to turn or stir food for even cooking and optimal crispiness. Cleanup is effortless, thanks to the dishwasher-safe non-stick basket and rack, while the matte black finish is stylish and easy to wipe down. Automatic shut-off technology ensures safety, preventing accidents when the basket is removed or cooking is complete. With its combination of large capacity, precision cooking, and convenient features, the Chefman 6-quart air fryer is ideal for families who want crispy, juicy chicken and other fried favorites without the mess and calories of traditional frying. It delivers consistent, high-quality results and makes healthy, delicious cooking effortless. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.